Hello everyone, I'm here with a new Google Ads Advertiser Verification case study. For those who don't know, we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company and we offer a variety of services including Google Ads Advertiser Verification, Google Ads Audit, Setup Management. We even provide Google Ads account. We help clients with Shopify web development, Google Business Profile, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping campaigns. We help clients with SEO. We help clients with WordPress. So we are a full-fledged marketing agency. So in case if you need either of the services, you can follow the link in the description, and so that you can land on the website and get a detailed overview of what services we offer. So now moving back to this amazing Google Ads Advertiser Verification case study, I'm going to show you a quick video as well in this process on how we were able to to resolve it. So let's get started on this. So I'm going to show you first of all the issue and then how we were able to restore it. So now moving on, this is an advertiser verification issue over here. This is the website Google Ads ID, where the issue is you need to complete advertiser verification to keep their ads running. And they ask, the six things: submit your documents, provide info about your business names, provide info about your business logo, provide some info about the organizations affiliated with these emails, answer a few questions about your business relationship, answer a few questions about your business operations. Okay, so whenever there is something like this, when you have to do a business verification specifically to advertiser verification, so what happens is people gets confused over it. Okay, so they like, oh, I'm going to do something wrong, or my business was going to be suspended. So this is an issue which I have felt, people are have done it, and they eventually have failed even, they were failed even to do this. And for instance, if you even if you want to show your ad disclosure, you have to start a fill up 1 minute optional questionnaire as well, and people gets confused, or people do the wrong things over here, which eventually suspends the account or at least pause their Google Ads account to run the ad. So all of all, this causes a huge issue for anyone who wants to get their ad running up, or who were running and gets their ads paused due to this error. Even we help clients with Google Ads suspensions as well. So I'm just letting you know. So once we started this project, what we did was we started a dedicated communication channel with Google on the issue regarding the client. We provided them with the documentation. The documentations is an important factor over here, and there are further documents as well. So let's post them due to the client privacy. So I'm not going to show you, but I do have those as well. But I'm going to show you a video as well which can help you. And in this video, what I'm going to do is, one of my team members created a video to show you the complete task. Over here you can see the answers about the organization. If you look around, you answered a few questions about your organization, you provided your done breakfast, you submitted your documents, answered a question about your business operations, provided info about your business, you provided info about the organization affiliated with these emails, you answered a few questions about your business, you answered a few questions about your business, you have confirmed that you don't plan to run European Union affiliate political ads, you answered a few questions about who pays your business. So you can see all of these questions were answered. And after this, okay, once we submit it, plus a dedicated channel with our relationship manager. As a Google partner company, we do have a dedicated manager, so that was in touch as well. And once we submitted the documents, a copy CC was attached to that as well. And then we got this email that thanks for completing all the tasks, your Google Ads account is verified. Your ads will now have disclosures which include your name and location. Google Ads will notify you if you need to ever complete more details. And I'm going to show you the account as well. And if I'm going to move on to the advertiser verification over here, so even you can even match the customer ID as well. And you may see around, this is the same over here, you completed the task, and you may see, this is our running ads. And in case you may see, this is now do not have any issues. Also, this you may see, thanks for verifying the verified advertiser name and location for each of these accounts will now appear in your ads disclosures. Will let you know if you need more information. Okay, so if you are thinking that you have names or logos that are disapproved, these are beneficial for your ads campaign, but these do not have to do anything with the advertiser verification. So this is a successful case study for business operations verification. Over here, we provided them information. We help clients with all of these. We will help clients with Google Ads suspensions. So yeah, this is a full-fledged case study. This couldn't be possible without the support of the team. So I'm glad that we are able to help them. So yeah, in case if we need either of the Google Ads audit, setup management service, or in case if you need help with Google Ads suspensions, disapprovals, disapprovals, or advertiser verification, or Shopify, WordPress development, Google Merchant Center development, or Bing Ad Solutions, or any other issue. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company based in UAE, and as an LLC company. So if you want to hire me and my team, you can follow the link in the description, and we will love to work with you. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.